Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best adjustable dumbbells. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the one pair of adjustable dumbbells kits. This is a dumbbell that has a total weight of 200 pounds and comes in portions. Each piece weighs 100 kilos and can be adjusted from 5 kilos as much as 100 pounds with an adjustment increment fee of 5 kilos. This dumbbell is unique source of weights mixed which encompass 2 5-pound collars, 2 5-pound plates, 8 10 kilos plates, and 2 5-pound plates. These plates are durable due to the fact they may be made from solid iron. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the one pair of adjustable dumbbells. This is a dumbbell that has a complete weight of 105 pounds with every piece weighing 52.5 pounds. It is likewise long-lasting because of the truth that it is manufactured from solid iron. Each piece is adjustable with an incremental variety of 2.5 kilos and starts from 5 pounds as much as 52.5 pounds. It consists of various plates of various weights. Each dumbbell includes 8 5-pound plates, 2 1.25-pound plates, 2 5 plates, and 2 5-pound collars. Its handles are fabricated from a strong chrome creation that is textured to offer a great grip at the hand. They are also properly threaded at each ends for the plates to shoot in flawlessly. At number 3, we have the Bowflex SelectTech 1090 adjustable dumbbell. This is one dumbbell that permits you to undertake multiple exercises the use of only one unit. It does the work that can be carried out by using several dumbbells and may be adjusted from 10 up to 90 kilos. The incremental variety is 5 pounds. The adjustment system is easy because one most effective needs to curl a dial that has been protected inside the device. It additionally features a well-designed cope width that suits effectively to the hand's curvature. Among the numerous workouts that may be completed by using this dumbbell consists of strength, physical games, firming sports, and heavy leg lifts. At number 2, we have the FITMAKER by Computer, waterproof multifunction cycling speedometer. These dumbbells come in a couple and have a complete blended weight of 90 kilos with each set weighing 45 kilos. They can be adjusted from 5 pounds as much as 45 pounds with an incremental variety of 5 pounds. This range enables one to move from one workout to some other readily. It has an equal of 9 units of weight which facilitates one to keep away from shopping for several weights and additionally save money training session area. Its handles is crafted from a rubber cloth which is ideal for progressed grip. Moreover, not like other dumbbells, this health equipment comes with a stand which gives comfort in storage. And finally at number 1, we have the Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells. This dumbbell comes in a set of 2 which has a combined weight of 95 kilos. This manner that each dumbbell weighs 52.5 kilos which may be adjusted from 5 kilos as much as 52.5 kilos. With an increment rate of 2.5 kilos. It also features a dial that permits one to easily regulate the weights up to 25 kilos. These dumbbells have up to 15 units of the load that permits one to not simplest save on garage space but additionally undertake several exercises with just one unit. It has a 2-year assurance that still covers its components. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this adjustable dumbbells, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.